right, welcome back. So in this video, let's talk about the character panel. Okay, so I'm going to open that up. So the character panel, think of this as a panel for your text. So for example, we have an empty layer here. We have Learn Tech right here, right? So let's say that we have these two here. I'm going to delete these. And I grab the text tool and I write below that After Okay, and then I hit Command A on the Mac, Control A on the PC, and I come over here and I can adjust the font to this chicken scratch here, which is kind of funny. I can select kind of a random font. I can adjust the size. We can adjust all these different things here, which is spacing. So you can space out your text or stretch it out. You can vertically stretch it out. Okay. We can also change the color and do all these subscript, superscript, small caps, which is also camel case. You can also do all caps, italic, and bold. Okay, so this character panel gives you a lot more options to mess with your text. Okay, and you can also double click here. I thought I had that muted, and then we can change it to red. Okay, or I can double click and we can go to lime green as an example. I can hit Command S to save that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this layer, hit Command S again, and that is the character panel. So with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.